Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Ice Hat FPV here. It's not a fly day today. Just want to talk about this neat little device I got here. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of this or seen it, but it's called a Pocket Operator, and it's from Teenage Engineering. And this particular one is a Knockout. They have several models with several different functions, but basically it's a sequencer, drum machine, um, sampler, whatever you want to call it, all in a little package about the size of a small cell phone or a calculator, maybe. You see the size of my hand here, it's pretty small. But this thing is really cool. It basically, you sample beats, songs, or use some of the samples that are built into the unit and create music. And I've been playing around with it, trying to learn it. There's a few videos on YouTube, tutorials and whatnot, tips and tricks. And I sampled a little Bon Jovi song here, It's My Life. And you take a little snippet and you can sample it through the line in here, or it actually has a little microphone, which is at pretty good quality. So you take a little sample and you can play around, break it up, put it in the device, few effects, come up with a little song that maybe we can add to our FPV videos without getting copyright. Let's see, turn it up a bit. That's what I've been creating this morning. So there, yeah, basically you can take all kinds of samples and beats and whatever and put it in here, whatever you want to. You can even sample your voice, you can something like that, make your own crazy dance party. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you want to check one of these out, pretty neat, and you can make your own music for your own videos, which hopefully I'll be doing real soon. If I can figure this thing out. Alright guys, have a good one. Take care. Everybody get ready!